Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I want to talk to you about DHgate's affiliate program. So it is presenting us with an opportunity to make a ton of money. If you are an influencer with any level of a following on social media, as long as you've got a network that you can appeal to, you can join the DHgate affiliate program. You can get sample orders from over 200,000 products, and you can market and integrate these products into your videos along with your affiliate link. Now, if your viewers and followers click that affiliate link and end up buying the product, you get up to 51% commission on the orders, and there's also special bonuses tacked on top of that, and it is easier than you probably would ever imagine to do this. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to know in this short video, so let's get started. So obviously TikTok is a really popular social media platform that has really exploded in popularity recently. I think I heard that their revenue is projected to triple in 2022. I saw that on like Yahoo Finance or something while I was in the gym. Anyways, if you're on TikTok, like many of us are, or like I said, any other social media platform, you're going to want to consider joining the DHgate affiliate program. It is free to join, and I've got an invite link at the top of the description for you to use. Now, as an affiliate, the first thing you're going to have to do is sign up. It is pretty straightforward, guys. You register for the DHgate affiliate program. You then get your affiliate link and you promote the product that you are looking to integrate into your videos. You don't have to order samples to promote a product, but they do offer free samples on a very wide variety of products from their catalog. For instance, like I'm going to show you how to do it in this video in a second, but basically when you refer new customers to the platform that end up checking out and purchasing the product that you link them to, you will begin earning commissions. This happens passively, so you create one video. That video can stay up on TikTok for, a year, 2 years, for forever, really, as long as you want it to, and it can be earning you commissions the entire time. So this is a nice way of adding an additional stream of passive income. So step number 2 is, and I recommend this if you are, if it makes sense, I guess, but order samples, okay? And it's as simple as going into your affiliate dashboard, and then on the left-hand side, you'll have the navigation. Under products, go to sample products. Now, I wanted to just briefly shout out Marielle, my girlfriend. We have our dog Pablo, our little micro chihuahua. You see him there on the left-hand side, and she created a business inspired by Pablo where they sell like dog treats, dog ice creams, etc. And we love dressing him up, putting him out there on TikTok. Basically, the point of me saying this was that if I need inspiration on like, oh, okay, what should I do for a sample order? How do I get started? Well, for instance, we love our dog. We love dressing him up. So I came over here to DHgate, went to the sample orders section. I typed in Chihuahua. Now, there's a Chihuahua outfit right here that we are able to order a sample of, a free sample. And you can see we'll order commissions on all of the orders that we generate here as well. So when I click Get Sample, you'll notice here it gives us some product information. On the right-hand side behind me here, it has my media information, which is automatically filled in because when I joined the DHgate affiliate program, I added my YouTube channel. They have all the information on the channel, so it's automatically pulled in right here. But if you have multiple channels as well, you're able to see them in this dropdown. Under the message, the write-in portion, you would write in, the size, the color, etc., other attributes if it's relevant. And then right here behind me, there's a button that says add shipping address. So you go ahead and click that. It'll give you a pop-up. You'll put your shipping information for them to send the sample to. Then go ahead and click save. It'll bring you back to the page before that. Go ahead and click submit, and when you submit, you just have to confirm that the information is accurate, your shipping information, that the media channel that you included in that sample order request is accurate, that that's where you're going to be publishing your content that promotes that product to, or that integrates that product to. Really, I don't want to say promote, because as an influencer, you may think that organic promotion instead of just an actual like all-out promotion may work better. So whatever works best for you guys. We've had people on this channel before that said they had influencers wear their t-shirt and generated a lot of generated a lot of orders to that t-shirt design on various e-commerce channels, So anyways, go ahead and click confirm. And now you need to, step 3, get your affiliate link for that product. Because if you just link directly to the DHgate catalog, they won't be able to track that it originated from your media, right? Your media on TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, wherever. So go to DHgate, find this product in the catalog, all right? And you can also get to the product from the affiliate backend that we were just looking at. But as long as you find the link to this product, which you can then see, I have an arrow up there in your web browser at the very top, click into there and copy it. Now go back to your affiliate dashboard, and on the left-hand navigation, find Link Customizer. Go ahead and click that. Now all you have to do is paste the link into the text box and click Get Link. When you click Get Link, it will take you to a page that looks like this with all of the tracking information. By the way, it automatically pulls in the media channel because I only added one. It automatically adds a tracking source, so I didn't have to create anything there. That's the default. And the default value is short link. Okay, so there's other options, but the short link is most likely what you're going to want. That's what I use. So then go ahead and click Generate. By the way, you can also see they give you promotional images if you need to integrate them into social media posts or whatever. So you've got those to work with as well. You got the mockups. After you click Generate, you'll notice it gives you a link and a description. So you're most likely just going to want to click only copy link, and that link is exactly what you need, that short link. Okay, so with that, you can go ahead and start promoting. But also, you know, if you're promoting on like a website, for instance, like I have a blog at ryanhogue.com, you can also go ahead and grab like embedded image codes, embedded text links, etc. So you can grab actual HTML if you want it, but that's hidden by default. So you'll have to toggle that open because I don't think most of their users are like, you know, gonna go ahead and get technical and write HTML. Most of them are probably up here just copy pasting the short link into, you know, the description of their YouTube video or their TikTok video, right? So now the last step, you guessed it, go ahead and create content around the product, or, you know, go create your video and just integrate the product, right? So regardless of what social media platform you are using, if you have any following, like I mentioned earlier, you are a strong candidate to be successful working as a part of the DHgate affiliate program. So go ahead and get started, guys. Use the link at the top of the description, create your account, order samples, grab your affiliate link. Don't forget to include that in your media, guys, and then that's really it. So again, as an affiliate, which you can join the affiliate program for free, as I did, you get up to 51% commission on each sale. You get free samples. You get $5 bonus on your first order generated and a $5 bonus on your 10th order. And they may go and continue to expand those bonuses as well, but it's a great place to start, full of incentives. And another bonus, guys, in the actual like affiliate dashboard, there is like a bonuses section where you can basically submit your channel for review. And then I think it also assists like the brands that sell through DHgate, the merchants, to find you if they think you'll be a good fit and reach out to you. So it's just another way of creating additional opportunities. But in this case, it's almost like you're saying, hey, I'm available, and you let them reach out. So guys, make sure you take advantage of this. It's free, and the link is at the top of the description to get started right now. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.